Hi there. It's welcome for this video presentation of unboxing DXG high definition camcorder, and this comes in a very nice package, as you can see. And let me go through the box from exterior point of it. So it has got a nice. Let me cover the key points of that video camcorder. I mean, their external feature looks like everything same except there are some key features, like one is it's 1080 and but 60 fps instead of usually you get only 30 in other models. And the second is you can record both HD mode and YouTube mode in both scenario, and also image stabilization. I think that also you can come in many camcorder. And the last one is you can set up continuous shot mode up to 30 pictures per second. And I noticed another one is you can take up to 10 megapixels, still images up to 12 megapixels. Usually I see other video camcorders it can take only 3 megapixels for the still images, but here you can take up to 12 megapixels. So you can use this as a both video camcorder as well as a still camera. And let's see the unboxing and how it what are the things. Also you will get a ArcSoft complete software, which is $100 value. So in other camcorder they usually give a bundle with the proprietary software, but in this case you will get the ArcSoft third-party software, which does many things. That I will come to that later after unboxing it. And it'll give the specification that I myself am not sure too many things. So we will see in the second part of the review. And it says that it has got the battery, USB cable, charger, and HDMI cable, and the camcorder and CD-ROM for the software, and a user manual. And you have to buy SD card separately. That's what it says. Okay, let's open up and see the camcorder box, unboxing it. That's easy. Yes. Okay, let's take it up. Okay, and then take this box. See, excellent piece. Okay, this is the box, and you can see that comes a nice package. See, it's so light but so fantastic finish and so nice features. And they give a small protector, so screen protector as well. It's 3-inch and it's so lightweight. I can feel so light. And let's see the other parts first. And see, I guess this is a battery charger. Maybe I need to charge it before I go for the next round of demonstration. Let's keep all the things inside. And yeah, this is the cable for the holder. We'll fix it later. And yeah, this is a battery, I think. Yes. So let's keep it. I'm not sure the slot is. Hope this one. And this thing. So hard to predict because it's so small, everything's so small. Okay, let's see. I have to read the way, and also it's a cable. We will open it later. And this is, I presume, it's a USB cable, and this one is HDMI cable. But anyway, that's one we are not going to cover it for this. And yeah, that's fantastic. It even comes with a cover, so you don't have to buy another one. See, it's so tiny. Look at the proportion. The hand is so tiny. So you don't have to buy another cover for that. So it's all here, and cables only so many. This I think power battery charger cable. So that we needed. That's for the charger. Let's say, yeah, and also the softwares. We'll see what are the softwares inside. It's about yeah, just say thank you. And it's of course it's a DXG USA, so it's a local company. And the SD card specification, I presume it supports up to 32 gig. We'll see. And then stop, we'll see why there's a stop. Yes, they ask you to go through the it's just saying it's don't return, you don't even think about it. So for you get the customer support and everything. If you're not sure, that's a good thing. And it's a quick guide as well. And yeah, this is the one I need to look into it, and I need to charge the thing. And yeah, we'll cover up the detail more in the next presentation. And this there's so much to read. And what else we have? Registered, yes, of course. And yeah, you see, you have asked me a quick start guide, and I think it's come in multiple languages. So let's say in English. That's a good thing about this. This one is even the third party one, but still they cover up about how to do all those stuff. And yeah, this is HD cam. I mean, see, I don't know what are things inside. And I need to keep the SD card as well. And I presume the video so nice. So you just open up like this, just press this one and you can get it, this one. And yeah, and then look at looks like this, right? No, like this. Go to the bottom, then fix it. And we'll try to, yeah, I think so nice. So it comes up with the modes. So everything touch screen, auto power off. Let's see what is the thing. Okay, NTSC PAL, and then format, no, and then settings, default, And languages, of course, English. Yeah, it supports, you can see that many languages: Spanish, French, Italian, Chinese, Dutch, Portuguese, I guess, I don't know, I think Japanese maybe. And frequent 60 hertz. Yeah, there's so much, I never done it before. And we'll start with the this is year. Let's go to 12, and the month Feb. Today is 12, and the time is 9:55. I think we'll set up, and what else, and then okay, and then this is the SD card slot. So in the let me charge the battery, and it comes a nice music also. And yeah, let me charge the thing. And this is a CMOS lens, and the flash, everything is built in here. It's so compact, you can see that compared to other cameras, it's less than a palm, and it comes with a nice bag. And thanks for watching this unboxing the DXG video camcorder presentation from MomsFocusOnline.com. And please don't visit to look in the detailed review of this camcorder. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.